Hello there, another unpacking video, another unboxing video, sorry. All right, this is from Altenew. Fun stuff, fun stuff, fun stuff. All right, I got, this is, because it was on sale, and they're the fresh dye inks, which I don't have a whole lot of. I have the crisp dye inks. So this is buttercream, warm sunshine, caramel toffee, paper bag, and the re-inkers. So that's, I believe it's the same re-inkers. Yep. So that's excellent. And then, and I've been waiting for this. It was on back order, so I'm excited to get this. And obviously, these colors can help do this. So that's the first thing I'm going to do when I get, as soon as I'm finished with this video, I am going to make these pumpkins. So that was a quick unboxing, but I'm very excited to use this. In the past, fall has not been my favorite season, which you would think it would be because my birthday's in October. But I was a school teacher for many years, and I was a student before that. So fall meant cold weather and back to school. But now that I'm much, much older and retired, I am liking the fall, and this fall happens to be warmer than most, and I do like pumpkins. So I am going to put this together, and maybe I'll do a video of me creating these pumpkins. So thanks for watching the unboxing, and we'll talk to you later.